Hi, everybody. It's Marcy, and welcome to day 2 of 7 Days of Summer, collaboration between Kara Brandon Creations and Dear Julie Julie. Before I get started, I want to remind everyone I will have YouTube channels linked below of all the elves participating in this, and the elves are what Julie and Kara call the people partaking. I will also have Julie and Kara's Etsy shops listed below. So please check out everyone's video. We've got some great fun stuff going on. And be sure to head over to Julie and Kara's Etsy shops, pick up your papers, and join us in the fun. Okay, so for day 2, we have this wonderful collage page from Kara. And we have this page from Julie that has a flinch card, a library card, some sort of, looks like an insurance card, some paper, and some strawberries and music paper there on a little card. Okay, so in yesterday's video, I just showed you the embellishments. But for this one, I had to go ahead and lay it out in my journal. So, will be your first glance at the journal I'm making. Now, I need to check and see if you can even see the whole thing in the shot. So, as you can see, this is a very large journal. My pages, this is an art book that I had picked up at our library sale. My pages are about 10 7/8 inches tall by about 9 and a half inches wide. So that means I've got, 18, 19 inches across and 10 and almost 11 inches tall. So quite a big book. And basically I'm just making an altered book type thing. But, so what I did was I covered the book page. I'm using a lot of gingham. I don't know why, but gingham makes me think summer when it's bright gingham, so I'm using a lot of gingham. So then I edged the top and the bottom with Kara's collage sheet. And then right here and right here, these are from Kara's summer journal pages. I just tore around those and added those on. Then here, I've got Julie's music music page with the strawberries held down with the brad. And if you turn that, that's holding this little note paper card that she had. And I just made a small little notebook in it. And this last page is actually glued down. Then over here, I used what was left of Kara's. I had to have 2 pages of the collage sheet. So I used what was left and I made a little tuck spot here that has the flinch card in it. And then there's a pocket that has the library card in it, and a taller pocket that has the insurance card in it. And I've left these relatively unembellished. I mean, I've inked around them and added some fabric, but I expect that I will, after the summer we had last summer where we weren't able to do much, I expect I will use this journal for lots of summer stuff. You know, I've got lots of room that I can add photographs and stuff, and probably more memory keeping type stuff than actual writing. And these little cards that I've backed them all with copy paper. So there is plenty of room for writing, but I think this will be a fun little summer memory journal. And I may add more stuff to this as I go through. I actually used everything from day 2 just to get this much. But like I said, I'm dealing with a lot of real estate. So as I go back and finish the journal and finalize it, I probably will do some more embellishing. So that's all I've got for day 2. Like I said, please be sure to check out the other YouTube channels, or you can look up hashtag 7 days of 7 day, what is it? Let me get my notebook. It is hashtag 7 days summer digi 2021. And I will see you all tomorrow. Bye-bye.